So we are Team Quantum Quorum, and this is our appointment management system Schedulr. And for front end we have used Next.js, and for backend we have used Node and Express.js, and for database we have used the PostgreSQL. And this is the organizer login. So I have registered as an organizer using this email. So I will be logging in as an organizer. So here it redirects to the organizer dashboard. Here the organizer can see his recent bookings, the appointments which are booked by the user. In the appointment section, the organizer would be able to see the appointments created by him, and he can create more new appointments. These appointments will be viewed by the user on the user dashboard signed in as a when we sign in as a user. So here you can create a new appointment with a title, description, the type of resources you want to provide, like staff or a resource like a hall, like that. So it takes multiple information regarding the appointment, and new information can be added, like for say dental records, medical records, therapy appointment. We can dynamically add those into the backend, and then it will show those options also. Here we can select the slots for which day. So here we are, for example, we are creating an appointment for a hall. The slots will be available on Wednesday from 9 to, let's select 12, I say, and proceed with the question and answer. So here if we can predefine any questions that the user may have. So like how I want to know how many users how many people will be there in the hall. So here the user can answer in multiple fields. So I will select the number and I will add the question, and here I will select the manual confirmation, where if the user wants to appoint, he will click the appoint and the request will be sent to the organizer, and the organizer will be able to accept that request. So here the introductory message and the confirmation message. With this we complete our appointment creation. So I will just say thanks for booking, yeah, save and publish. So now the appointment will be published, and the users would be able to see these appointments in their dashboard when the user logs in. I will show it in just a moment. So the appointment would be created. Yes, the new hall appointment has been created successfully. Here you can edit or copy the link also. So here you can share this link if you want to share. And in the meeting section, if suppose a user wants to appoint, the request would be stored here, displayed here in the meeting / request section. In the report section, basically there would be the appointment details and the user details, like which user has purchased which appointment, when, and what questions he has, and what is the status of those appointments. So reporting pages. So now we will log in as a user. So I have registered as a user using this email ID, and I will be signing in as a user now. So yeah, we have used JWT for the authentication and verification. So the role now is user, so it will be redirected to the user dashboard. Here you can see the new hall appointment has been displayed for the user dashboard, which was created by an organizer. So let's just select the new hall appointment and book this appointment. So here the user can select what kind of service he wants. So hall, continue, and the user can now select the date at which he wants to book this hall. So I will just select. As you can see, there are no slots on 24th, so let me just select a different date option. We select which show different slots. So 23rd is also 0 slots, so let me just find the date which is not overlapping and has available slots. I think 25 might have some slots, and yes, 25 does have slots. So I will select the hall and select the time slot. Let's say from 9 we want, and number of people, let's just keep it 1, and confirm and continue. So like the question which was set by the organizer, now we have to as a user answer this question. So like 12 people, let me select how many people. So 12 people for the hall, and yes, continue booking. So now the user has booked successfully this appointment, but this appointment request would be sent to the organizer dashboard. So he will have to approve it or reject it in order for the user to get the final confirmation. So appointment is now reserved, but the status would be pending because the user has not yet approved. So yes, as you can see, new hall appointment is in my bookings, and the status of this appointment is as pending. It is not confirmed. So as you can see, it is pending. So now let's just go to the organizer dashboard here. Now, as I said, in the meetings page or interface, you can see the requests of the user. As you can see, the new hall has a request from a user. He wants to buy. So now the organizer will approve or reject. Let me approve with a confirmation message. Thanks for choosing us, I would say. And yes, confirm, and the appointment would be now approved. So let me just refresh it. So here the appointment is now approved, hence the appointment would be shifted from here, and so you can see there is no new hall appointment. And here, let me refresh again, and as you can see, the appointment is now confirmed. Before it was pending, and I can even see the details of this appointment, what exactly it is. And here I can reschedule and cancel this appointment. Let me just show you how to cancel it. So here you can confirm the cancellation, give a reason for cancellation. So let me just type it. Got a cheaper venue, and let me confirm the cancellation here. So the cancellation, this will now cancel the appointment which was booked by the user now. So as you can see, the new hall is now, the appointment is now cancelled. You can see here it's cancelled now. Now let me just sign in as an admin to show you the admin dashboard. So the admin is the supervisor, is the super admin which supervises over the organizers as well as the users slash customers. So he has access to all the analytical data. So here, as you can see in the admin dashboard, you can see the user statistics, appointment statistics, and revenue statistics. Since most of the appointments are free now, there are no revenue. So here you can, user can see the user and organizers who are active, what is their status. Yeah, user can see all the status and situation and scenario of the appointments created by the organizers, what kind of organizers there are, etc. So that's it for our project. Let me just redirect to our landing page. This is the landing page which has dual themes, dark mode and light mode. Let me just show you. This is the dark mode. If I want, I can switch it to light mode. And there is also a 3D element, which is, yes, there is a 3D element which also shifts according to the light mode and dark mode. So that's it from our side. This is Team Quantum Quorum signing off.